DK Eyewitness Monster! Hi guys, welcome to a new episode on the channel. Today we will talk about Eyewitness Monster. So let's get started. There are a whole lot of TV series on a lot about people who could turn into monsters by just will, like Dino Squad, where like a group of teenagers get infected with some kind of DNA altering thing, and then they're able to change their DNA into whatever dinosaur DNA they got injected into by will. And there's this other series called Ben 10, where there's like this dude who has a watch who can change into some monsters. But then I'll be telling you guys something similar to that. Today, I'll be telling you about the mythological monsters of the world. The Minotaur. Medusa. Probably not Pegasus. The unicorn, probably not also, but also we'll be talking about aliens and blood-sucking dogs. Let's get started. Let's start with the Minotaur. The Minotaur is probably the best way to do stuff. The Minotaur is half bull and half human. So that explains why it's called the Minotaur. It is stuck in the labor birth, created by a master builder. And then one day he goes into the world of fields where there is a whole lot of stuff that doesn't actually happen that well. I'm gonna say here that the only way to do stuff is perfectly is because, well, of almost everything we can do. Aliens might not exist, but the Minotaur really probably does in Greek mythology. And now about Medusa. Once you look at Medusa's cold red eyes, or whatever eyes she has, you turn it into stone. And then there are 3 witches with only one eyeball that they share. Only one eyeball. They share all one eyeball. And they don't see at all except when they have the eyeball. And when they do, they only see 2-dimensional shapes, not 3-dimensional. So that's a pretty bad idea. That's a pretty bad idea to hop on a taxi with these witches. But there are good things about these witches, though. They know a lot of stuff, and you can actually ransom their eyeball for something you want from them. And then there is the aliens. There are loads of things that happens here, and it is said that there are some bloods. There's this type of weird monster where it lives on feeding from the blood of different animals, not including humans. Some say they're pets of aliens. But whatever case they might be, we'll know that they're definitely not aliens and that they're definitely not real. That's how it works. Medusa's head of snakes also do the same thing as stone shaping, and then also these aliens might not actually exist at all. But if they actually do exist, I'm gonna say here probably I was proven wrong. But now that I know, I can build on it. And then if I'm wrong again, no, but now that I know, I can build on it. And then technically you can do that over and over and over again until you're not wrong. But this time it's as true as this. This is where I should actually stop this episode. Monsters happen all over the world. But as we find out about stuff, there's still a lot that we can still find on these curriculums. Monsters are probably almost anywhere we can think of. But if we think of more monster world, we think less and less about fear, and we might even overcome them. So this is where I'll really end this episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please click either of these videos if you want to watch either of them. And I'll see you in the next episode. Out. Peace.